Today we have an open house here at our Legacy community in Thorold, Ontario. Empire has just opened up 4 brand new model homes, and I will say that Empire has been known to put on a pretty good show with their model homes in the past. We're really excited to bring in some of our homeowners and our purchasers to experience the model homes firsthand. I love this. Woo!
Oh, wow.
Hopefully this gives you some ideas.
Love the high ceilings actually already.
I can see myself here making lots of dishes for my family.
These purchasers have been waiting to walk through these model homes for a really long time. They bought quite a while ago, and they're really excited to see this built up. I'm so excited to show you the living room and the open concept kitchen and breakfast area in this home. So take a look at the fireplace that they've done there. You'll notice here all the dark accents as well. I think it just helps that fireplace to really pop.
Yeah, I love it. Just kind of has that like modern vibe. Still like a little bit warm and cozy. That's really nice.
The fireplace is beautiful. I mean, the brick accent definitely brightens up the space as well.
Today we're here to finally get to see our model home we purchased a few months ago. So this is kind of our first chance to kind of see what our house is going to look like, what the finishes are going to look like.
We've only seen plans to date so far, so we're excited to see it in person.
I think the best thing, especially for us, is the fact that it's all open. If I'm kind of spending any time in the kitchen and then like the kids are playing, I can see them and they know what's going on and nobody's getting into anything. So I think that's the best part of this layout.
This is the perfect home for us.
Oh,
this is my retirement home.
That's so exciting.
So we have in our appointment for our selection coming up on Tuesday. So that's one of the main reasons why we're here.
It's pretty exciting to see what the rooms are going to look like. Because seeing it on paper and actually seeing the actual thing is 2 different things, right? Because then you have a better idea of how the space is laid out, an actual room size.
And here, you'll notice you've got a really large living space. For your children who are growing up, this way you can be together.
I agree with you 100%. Everybody talks about open concept, but this is a real open concept. My family consists of myself, my wife, and 2 kids. It's a very vibrant community, excellent schools. My family will be more excited than me. They will love this place.
This is the additional family room, rec room.
I actually had a place like this in the old house. I think we spent 90% of our time in a room like this. I've been stopping by once every few months just to see if the place is ready. So I'm actually very excited to see it for the first time.
Essentially space for whatever furniture that you have.
It's really nice. I plan on having a growing family. I was very, very happy to know that there's no wastage of space.
I can't wait to show you what we've done here. Today went fantastic. I was so excited to meet some of these homeowners and have the ability to take them through their home. Sometimes it just takes the ability to walk through and to see it yourself to know that this is going to be your dream home, and that's so gratifying to see. I think that we owed it to all of our homeowners to give them the opportunity first to view these models. They have put all of their trust in us as a builder, and we want to say thank you to them and show them our appreciation for coming out to Legacy and purchasing.
Didn't know what to anticipate coming in today and taking a look. It looks beautiful. It's fantastic.
We're definitely inspired. It's kind of given us an idea of what our home could look like.
The closing coming, we want it to come quicker now.
Yeah, I can hardly wait now.
I'm very excited about the move. I'm very excited that I have bought this kind of design. It's awesome.
We're very excited. Very excited to move in.